Okay, this is a video to show you how to set up the MKS screen for your Cura, and just to show you that I don't have any files on it. There we go. So let's get cracking. Right, first step, install Cura and download the profile that we need. So we'll start to get it installed. That's right. Run. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I still had that on hidden. Right. Install Cura. Let's go. You agree? Yep, next. And off we go. While we're doing that, I'll extract the slicer settings. Well, not really slicer settings, it's more printing profile for Cura, but never mind. I've fully wiped off my Cura, so you should be on the same page as me when it comes to setting this up. As you can tell, I'm not a YouTuber. I could edit this out, speed it up, whatever if I was, but I'm not. And I might do a video on how to make your own model in firmware. Did one last night. I haven't tested it yet. We'll see if it works the way that I want it to, and see about sharing it then. Right, so yeah, finished. Run Cura, yes, finish. Now we have to run it because it's gonna add more folders into a place that we need in a short while for our slicer settings part. And I do like these slicer settings because it attempts to clean the nozzle a bit before it starts. Okay, so yes, the disclaimer. Next, I don't sign in because I don't have an account. And here we go. When we add a non-printer, don't know if you can see, but when we hit F, yep, there's no Fokoos in there. Okay, so we will close Cura and we will view our extracted files. Okay, now I don't know if I can do this on camera, but we need to hold shift and click on the Explorer picture in the bottom. I don't think I can do that here one-handed. So hold shift and click Explorer. That's going to open up 2 instances. And we'll go side by side. Okay, right, so now we need to click View and take the hidden system files. We'll tick that if I could hit it. Yes, I did. And then we'll go to the C drive and users. My name's Steve, and we'll go to app data, Roman, then we see Cura 5.6, and there we go. Okay, now what we want here is Odin F3 def needs to be dragged over into definitions. Then we've got the one called extruder. That one needs to go in extruders, which is over there. And then we need to make a one called meshes, all lowercase, new folder, meshes, enter, and we drag the last one into meshes. That's it. Okay, now if you want, you can untick the hidden bit, cover it again, close, 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 and run Cura. Surprise and surprise. I like it pinned. I'm going to pin it in a minute. Okay, right click, pin to the taskbar. Right, get started. Agree, next, skip, because I don't have an account, add a non-printer, add ultimate, no, we want to add the non-network printer. Now when we scroll down, we'll have Fokoos in there. Fokoos. Hello. Next. Next, next, next. Finish. And there we go. We now have Fokoos in there. Right, next step, or first step for me anyway, is Marketplace. And I like arc welder. Arc welder, install. My internet's being really crap today, unfortunately. And I want the MKS, yes, accept plugin. And the MKS Wifi plugin that will get your pictures up on the screen when you go to print. Sorry for you, those of you that hate papers. Okay, in order for this to work, you need to quit and start Cura again. Quit. Thankfully I had you pinned. Alright then, now is the exciting bit. Okay, settings, printer, manage printers, MKS Wifi plugin, yes. MKS Wi-Fi active on this printer, we want to tick that, and we'll tick Wi-Fi support. Preview settings, we'll tick that. The screenshot support, the model default, and that's it for the MKS Wi-Fi plugin. All set up and running. Now, what I do here is material settings, material, actually, yeah, okay, we'll go into the settings bit properly. Materials, and what I do here is create a new one, because you can't change the color if you don't create a new one. So create a new one, custom material, it's PLA, everything else is already preloaded for you. And if you click the little color, if it's going to let us, and Cura's designed to hang a little bit, then you can change to whatever color you want it displayed on the screen. Let's go a light blue. Right, okay, Now in here we need to show custom. If you just want the Wi-Fi to work on the screen, then you can probably quit right now. That's it. But I'll show you settings I use, and it's a caveat because all printers are going to be different. My settings might not work for you, but we'll get cracking here. Right, settings. Configure settings visibility. First thing I want is speed. Type speed in there. Right, when we've got infill speed, which I'll tick, wall speed I'll tick. This is just going to show you your settings, by the way. Outer wall speed, inner wall speed, support speed should be here there somewhere. Yes, support speed. There we go. Margins. I'll tick a raft extra margin because my old printer I had to constantly print with a raft, which is really irritating. Width, not quality line width. We want support brim width. If it would stop giving us hints on how to use it. And that could be it. That could be all I ever change. Okay, so in here quality, won't bother changing that. Wall thickness, I won't bother changing that. Top and bottom, nope. Infill, we'll leave you at 10%. Oh, I change it to cubic subdivision. Material, print at 260 for the bed. Right, now here for printing speed, usually if I change one feature it alters the rest for you automatically for what it thinks might be best. So I always just change that, maybe 50. Yep, it's automatically adjusted it. Okay, travel. Oh, that's what I haven't done. Settings, visibility, combing mode. There we go, tick combing. Well, what this does is I'll change it on here to the outer layer, not on outer surface, is when it retracts, I turn off retraction as well because I think it just blocks your printer. But it kind of smooths the outer surface of your print by doing that bit last as such, so it's not like starting the next line and leaving like a blob on the top of that. So in the interest of not blocking my printer up, we'll remove retraction. Cooling, we'll leave you with 100. Support, everywhere, we won't bother touching you. Basically, we're just down to special modes now, which is arc welder and G90 influences extruder. Yep. There's one here that you shouldn't do, and I think it's firmware compensation. Allow travel arcs, yes. Dynamic precision, yes. Yep, applies to Marlin 1 but not Marlin 2, so we don't need that. Okay, and okay, right. Now I'll just drag something into Cura and off we go. STL, about these minis double, do I know you are just a small bit of pins. Yep, now we see it in Cura as nice as that blue that we chose. We'll slice you. And we'll save you to disk. We'll save you in 3D Designs, Gcode, Darwin Mini, save. And we'll get you uploaded in the meantime. You can drag it to your SD card if you want. Choose file, 38, Gcode, yep, open, upload. Oh, I've got the F05 thing still on there. Right, so in Cura, file, nope, settings, it's not really settings visibility that I want, general, down here somewhere, add machine prefix to job name, I untick, because it's just a useless friggin' 4 letters that take up more space. Okay, right, delete you out of there, do the one that I need to print 170 times possibly. Gonna change the color this time. Settings, visibility, material, because I'm just gonna leave it on white after this. Right, white, okay, close, slice, save to disk. As you can see, our name has changed. It's no longer putting F05V in front of it. And choose a file to upload. And this time it's a 170s I want. Upload. Oh, I never explained that Cura bit, did I? For the, was it walls or speed? Speed, yeah. Basically, yeah. We've got our infill speed that's going to run faster than the inner and outer wall speeds, because the inner wall, obviously this should speed up your prints a lot, and your support speed, you might want that slower or faster. It basically tunes it for speed really, and precision on the outside wall, and like fast everywhere else that's kind of irrelevant or whatever. And that's it. Now if we go and have a look at our printer, we'll see 2 different coloured bits on there now. Yep, files uploaded. Okay, print, and there we go. We've got one in white and one in bright blue. Thanks guys, bye.